Welcome to the Learning Pines YouTube. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will show you how to make a paper glider. First, gather your materials. You'll need one sheet of standard A10.5 by 11-inch paper. For optimal flight, select paper with a weight between 70 and 90 grams per square meter. Also, make sure your workspace is flat and clear. This preparation is crucial for achieving precise folds and a well-balanced glider, setting the foundation for a successful flight. Now, let's begin with the initial folds to form the glider's nose. Start by folding your paper in half lengthwise, then unfold it to establish a clear center crease. Next, take the top two corners and bring them down, ensuring they meet precisely at this center crease. After that, fold the top edges inward once more, aligning them perfectly with the center line. These steps create a sharp, aerodynamic point for your glider. With the nose formed, it's time to construct the wings. Fold the entire paper in half along the original center crease, making sure the previously folded points are now inside. Next, create the first wing by folding down one side, approximately 1 inch from the bottom edge of the paper. Repeat this exact step on the opposite side, carefully ensuring that both wings are perfectly symmetrical. Symmetry is key for stable and balanced flight. Finally, let's prepare for launch and make any necessary adjustments. Gently crease the wingtips upward by about 1/4 inch. This small adjustment significantly enhances stability. Hold your glider firmly near its center of gravity, which is typically about 2/3 of the way back from the nose. Launch it with a smooth, forward motion and observe its flight path. You can make minor adjustments to the wingtips or nose for improved performance.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.